Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Welcome if you're new. It is the last weekend of 2023 and it's Friday, it's 11:30 and I decided to start a vlog now. Where have I been? What have I been up to? I'm supposed to be editing a vlog and calling it life lately, just like of November and December, everything I was doing kinda. And that was gonna be the last vlog, and then I decided to do this. I don't know if it'll make it up, but if it does, yay me. So I'd have 2 vlogs up before the year ends. That means I will be editing today and tomorrow, because as I said, it's Friday, it's the 29th. We have 2 more days and here we are. So basically the plan for today, well, the plan for now is to clean my room, try and declutter, get rid of unnecessary stuff. I've been trying to clean for at least a week now and it just hasn't been happening. The most I've done is empty my swimsuit drawer and pick out ones that I no longer wear or can't fit. And now I'm tackling my desk, throwing away all those old receipts, tidying up some books, and yeah, trying to make it less cluttered. And you might be wondering what's going on here. You can check out my TikTok, but basically I had an accident on Christmas Day and now I have a bandage. It should get removed next week, and yeah, that's about it. I'm fine though. Yeah, this is quite a long intro, so I'm gonna get back to cleaning and then I'll probably come back and talk to you guys. So I haven't arranged my 2024 goals as yet. I don't think I'm gonna do a vision board. I wanted to do like a 2024 bingo card, something I've seen on TikTok. Haven't completed it yet or written down. I don't think I have enough tasks yet. Guys, I don't know. The end of the year is kind of not depressing, but I guess it's supposed to be reflective. It's just like, what if I haven't achieved all the things I wanted to before? It's kind of like the pressure. It doesn't make sense to plan more goals. But I don't know, I have all these notebooks and it's just interesting to look back and see all the plans I made and did I achieve those goals, blah, blah, blah. But yeah, so let me get back into cleaning because I've been talking a lot. So hope you enjoy this vlog and I hope you subscribe to my channel. If you are new here, let me know what you want to see from me, or even if you're an OG, comment and let me know what type of videos you want to see in 2024 and I'll do my best to be on top of my content game. So yeah, let me know.
Ready for Carnival 2024, powered by Trinity Studios, home of creatives.
Guys, cleaning is ghetto. Am I gonna get copyright for playing this in the background? Oops. Sorry. I did not make it to 1,000 subs and I got to 4,000 watch hours and then it decreased again, but I guess because they're doing it from the because they're doing it from the last 365 days, it would change, especially since I'm not posting consistently lately. So I'm at 3,700 and something now, I think. What else is on this? 100k real view, I didn't get that. Master's degree, your girl got that. Pay increase. Learn how to do my makeup, that is going back on my 2024 list. Need to know how to beat my face myself. Some of these things just did not become a reality. Should I do a YouTube recap for 2023? I did it for 2022 and it was so cute. Am I gonna do it for 2023? I should. Maybe we can do that later. I'm gonna actually use the journal, be cute. But this year I actually want to get into digital planning because I have my iPad and I have my Apple Pencil and I have GoodNotes, Freeform, and all the different apps, so, and Notion. So that's my plan for next year. I just need to figure it out. But yeah, your girl was in her bag in January. Well, at the beginning of the year. You know, you start off strong, then life happens. Yeah, I'm probably gonna go through this later and see what I can pick out and brainstorm for content for 2024. Put back on the music. Using this tomorrow. See why you should clean up regularly. I've been looking for these. I'm not actively looking, but I couldn't remember where I put them. I just found them in one of the bags I used to carry to work. It is my AirPod cleaner that I got from Shein. Shein has everything, but stuff needed to clean. See, this is why I get so distracted, because now I'm about to stop to clean these and then go back to cleaning. So satisfying. One more thing before this battery dies. I'm finally unpacking the bag I had with me at the conference in Dubai. I got some pins and I need somewhere else to put them because I don't know. Not like I'm gonna be using this bag, and I just need somewhere to put them. It's the STG pin, Commonwealth pin, and the Youth Negotiators network that I was a part of. And then because I went to Pensacola afterwards for graduation, they were giving out these at the end. It's like a keychain. I don't know where I'm gonna put it because my keyring is kind of full. Well, it's not in there because we don't get it as yet. But we got another keychain. This one's kind of cute. I like this one. 100K. Yeah, this one is cute. And what else did we get? Another pin. Oh, I love this one. That's why I need somewhere to put them. An alumni pin. And a... oh, wait. Yeah, this one is an alumni pin. And then this one for the 100K. Where am I gonna put them? To display. What's this in here? Not me finally opening this after what? It's not a month yet. Congratulations on this momentous occasion. I'd like to welcome you to the University of West Florida Alumni Association. Stay in touch. You may get a call. No, I will not. An electronic diploma will be issued 2 to 4 weeks following your degree being placed in an awarded status. After you receive your degree award notification, a printed diploma may be ordered by completing a diploma request. Please note that all financial holds must be cleared before your diploma is released. I hope that's free to get your diploma, but I did get my notification that my degree was awarded, so yes, your girl has a master's degree. Yeah, that last semester was hell, guys. The last semester was the toughest out of the whole program, to be quite honest. I did a class that I wasn't 100% feeling, but I just needed one more class to graduate, so I just went with it, and it was a lot. It was a lot. I barely passed. It was a lot. know, but I hope you guys can hear me. This music is loud. Anyways, we're on the way to the beach. We're gonna try Valley Church Beach, and hopefully it's not packed. It is Saturday, and it's gonna be my last beach day for 2023. So I'll catch you. On our way to Starfish Beach Bar to just grab a drink and a bite to eat and a bite to eat with my friend while I wait for my mom to finish her makeup. So that's where we're heading to right now. A cute little fit. My mini skirt sits back there, but yeah, so let's go. We're gonna see if I do this vlogging thing in public. Me and my accessory. Hold this, please. We're in Hollywood Hills, guys. The rich and famous. We need to go to Grenada Carnival. Well, I need to go to Grenada Carnival. Not next year though, because we're gonna go somewhere else. You could come. Just get vacation. It's not that bad. Yeah. It's like top down. You need to push it up. I feel like doing all of that. What am I gonna drink? Tamarati. You're going to one time? I don't know. Look, I own it. Sorry, that's a car. You're gonna give me a ride tomorrow? What's tomorrow? Have a choice. What am I gonna drink? I forgot where I'm from. What am I gonna drink? You can get I'm just gonna make it. Yeah, that's probably a strawberry crush. Oh yeah, like a daiquiri. I had the strawberry daiquiri when I was in the last time. That was good. Yeah, but the strawberry crush. Okay, guys, so we got our drinks. It's mine because you girl can't have any alcohol.
from the Canada. Hey, I like your vibe. Everybody say you're back from which bar? Like Chinese mask on the clip top. Shove it up and make it fall from your distance. You know what, no man a big dog.
I saw you disappear if you never did bound. Me know a couple kilometers just a sing song.
With some people, you wanna tell it, what to them?
See that full of bomb like